Think of driver's education as like being a freshman in life. I think all of you should understand that. That's a pretty good example. When you're backing up, look out your back window. But I have a backup camera. So you just ran over your neighbor's bike. I don't like the neighbor anyway. Or you just ran over the neighbor's kid. I don't like the kid. No, I'm joking. You have to look over your shoulder and out of your back window. Well, I don't want to do that. Well, I guess you don't want to drive with me then because you're going to hit a car. Reverse maneuvers are some of the most dangerous. Backing up maneuvers are very dangerous. Why? Because you can't see. You got to look up. I have a backup camera. You're not hearing me. Look out your back window. Oh. Okay. You have to understand why. But you don't because you haven't been through the situation.
Close your eyes.
Next, have a lot of following distance on our beginning driver's tailgate. 1 second, Mary. Mary, let me finish. I appreciate you. We know each other, right? Let me finish. I appreciate you. You know I got you, Mary. I got you. Always, Mary. Always. Let me finish this first. Because I didn't read this in your class, and I'm always trying to give you knowledge, bring you value, right? So, keep more space. A lot of beginning drivers tailgate. And if you rear end someone, you are at fault, not me. In our state, if you rear end someone, the driver behind the person who hits them is at fault. And you don't want an at-fault accident on your driving record because that will increase your parents' insurance rates. Your parents won't like you, you won't have a car, and then you're going to be a senior and not drive. It happens because you drive too closely to cars. And you'll learn this as you go along. No, I want to take you in the parking lot. What's wrong? My mom and dad were screaming at me. Because you'll talk to me, you'll start feeling comfortable with me, and I'll listen to you. I need to learn your personality. So around the third drive, I know your personality. I want to help you become a good driver. It takes time, okay? That's my job. Or it's the other way around. John, you never take your son out or daughter. They're scary. They don't listen. It's because you scream all the time at them. Some of your parents are going to scream at you. You're going to shut down. Or your parents won't teach you at all, Tanner. And if they teach you at all, Tanner, you're going to pull out in front of a truck. You're going to make a left turn when it says no left turn. Or Sophia might pull out in front of an ambulance and panic. So it's really important that your parents take the time to educate you.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.